कैसे हो आप सभी। टुडे आई एम हियर with a fresh lecture on geography. Okay, so let me begin with my lecture. The topic I will be discussing today is the globe, axis. Next one is the poles. When I'm talking about the poles, I will be talking about the North Pole and the South Pole. Next topic I will be discussing is the equator, isn't it? So when I'm talking about the equator, I'll be defining with two things. First one are the hemispheres, and that are the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay, next topic I'll be discussing is the prime meridian. When I'm talking about the prime meridian, I'll be getting again two things, two hemispheres particularly, and these hemispheres are the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Okay, and the last topic up to here is for standard 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these topics are the globe, axis, pole, the equator, the prime meridian. These topics are relevant for these classes, equally important for 8, 9, 10 and the uppermost class, as these are the basic knowledge. Okay, so after getting this basic knowledge, you can only proceed over the next topics. Those are the latitudes, next one are the longitudes. Okay, so today in this lecture I will try to cover this much part. In next lecture I will be covering the time zones. If 5, 6, 7 eager to watch this lecture, it's foremost welcome to you, but it is relevant for the higher classes 7, 8, 9, 10, obviously to the other preparation levels. Okay, so you got the topic. What are the topics we will be discussing is the globe, axis, pole, the northern pole, southern pole, the equator. We will be getting the hemispheres over here. These one are the hemispheres, the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere. Again are the prime meridian, the eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. We will be discussing about the latitudes and the longitudes. Okay, so start with our first part, that is the globe. Tell me class, what do you understand about this very topic, globe? See, globe as I could say, most of you have seen a spherical shape. Let me take for example this one. What you could see about, obviously आप लोग खेलते होगा like this type of balls. Okay, so I'll be discussing over in this, so it could be getting a more easier. Suppose I am taking this one. This is spherical, isn't it? This one is a spherical. Let me take one rough set. Let me first mark it down. So this one is a rough set. What I mark? World map. Suppose this one is a detail of a world map. Let us assume if I am wrapping this up in this sphere, this spherical part, what you got? This one is a globe. If I am wrapping this world map, as you could see, these are the countries. Let's assume India, China, Russia. We'll get in the Americans countries here, the Antarctica, the different countries over marking over. So this one is the globe. So what the definition we finally got? I can say that a spherical model, और मॉडल भी किसका? Of the earth. So if someone asks you what is a globe, A spherical model of the earth is known as globe. Let me first clear you. हम लोग definition नहीं देखेंगे. Definition के पीछे मत भागिए. We can get it over in the Google and any other website. Even if you say I can provide the PDFs to you or the definition part through the school administration, you'll be getting this PDF. So don't bother about the definition. पहले समझते हैं कि आखिर ये चीज़ है क्या, आया कहाँ से. Okay, so you understood what is the globe? Let me remind you again. A spherical model. This one is a sphere. This one is the sphere. This one is the earth. A world map. I am just wrapping this up in this ball. So this one is the spherical model of the earth is known as the globe. Isn't it? Now our next topic is the axis. So let's start with this topic. Suppose let us assume it to be the earth. मान लेते हैं ये अर्थ. If this is the earth, it must be rotating like this. Yes or no? ये rotate करेगा. This was the fixed point, tilted, a little tilted. This is rotating like this. So I can say, like when it is rotating, it is getting a line. A fixed line बोल सकते हैं. It's getting a fixed line on which it is rotating, isn't it? समझ में आ रहा सारे? So it is getting a line on which this earth is rotating. What is this? This is a imaginary line. फिर से बता रहा हूँ, this is our earth and it is rotating, as you can see over here, it is rotating on a fixed line. This forms a imaginary line and that is known as the axis. समझ में आया what is a globe and what is the axis? So I can say it is an imaginary line it is an imaginary line on which an object क्या, like as a planet rotates around. समझ में आया सब? What is a globe? A spherical model बोल सकते हैं. What is the axis? An imaginary line. Understood these two topics, everyone? What is a globe and what is the axis? Now let's move to our next topic. That one is the pole. Okay. Suppose this one is the earth. I told a imaginary line. अब चलो इस imaginary line का एक नाम देते हैं. This one is the equator. What is this? Isn't it? This one is the equator. So it forms a imaginary line. अब बोल सकते हैं that it divides the earth into two equal halves like this. Let me take one different color. This one is one hemisphere and this one is one hemisphere. फिर से बता रहा हूँ, if a line, a imaginary line divides the earth into two equal halves, this forms our equator and we will be getting with two separate hemispheres. अब आते हैं पोल्स पे. यही इक्वेटर, इसके जो टॉप पे रहेगा, this one is the top, isn't it? The top point and the below point, these are the poles. और कौन सा पोल? This one is the northern pole and this one is the southern pole, like south pole. North pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. So understood everyone? What are the poles? Getting poles, we are getting the north pole, we are getting the south poles. It is the two poles of the earth. Understood? नॉर्थ पोल क्यों नाम रखा गया? क्योंकि अगर ये इक्वेटर है, दिस वन इज ऑन द नॉर्दर्न साइड, दिस वन इज इन द सदर्न साइड. समझे? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द नॉर्थ पोल एंड व्हाट इज द साउथ पोल? नाउ Let's move to the next topic. That one is the prime meridian. अभी मैंने हेमिस्फीयर की बात नहीं करी, अभी आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द हेमिस्फीयर्स, बताऊंगा। पहले बात कर लेते हैं, एक यहाँ मैंने बताया नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल, मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया इक्वेटर। जब हम इक्वेटर की बात कर रहे हैं तो पैरेलली हमें और एक चीज़ की बात करनी होगी, दैट वन इज द मेरिडियन, पर्टिकुलरली प्राइम मेरिडियन। ज़्यादा डीप पे नहीं जाते हैं, सिंपल सोचते हैं। ओके, इफ दिस वन इज द इक्वेटर, लेट मी टेक वन न्यू वन। इफ दिस वन इज आवर इक्वेटर जो डिवाइड कर रहा अर्थ को टू हेमिस्फीयर्स हो, तो क्यों ना हमें एक पैरेलली और यू कैन से वर्टिकली एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं। दिस वन इज आवर प्राइम मेरिडियन। कुछ डिफरेंस लगा आप लोगों को? दिस वन इज द इक्वेटर, दिस वन इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन। नाउ prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves and the equator also divides the earth into two equal halves. अब बात करते हैं कि ये halves को कहते क्या हैं। So these are the hemispheres. अब आप बोलोगे कि सर फिर दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रह गया, ये भी तो हेमिस्फीयर है और ये भी हेमिस्फीयर है। तो मैं क्लियर करूँगा, if this one is the equator, it divides the earth into two equal halves, the two halves being the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and the two halves which the prime meridian divides the earth are the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Clear everyone? मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? The two halves divided by the equator, इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, are the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the two halves divided by the prime meridian, see, prime meridian are the which hemisphere? East. This one is the prime meridian, तो इधर और एक this side and the this side, northern, north, south, east and west. सिंपल है। तो न्यू मार्क करके बताता हूँ, this one is the prime meridian, this one is the eastern hemisphere, and this one is the eastern hemisphere, and this one are the western hemispheres. Got everyone these two hemispheres? Understood? This one is the eastern hemisphere, this one is the western hemisphere, this one is the northern hemisphere, and this one is the southern hemisphere. Understood what is the equator, what is the prime meridian, what are the hemispheres? Okay, now I'll be covering two different topics. That one are the latitudes and the longitudes. So let's start first with the latitudes. What are latitudes? Okay, so let's again move to this one. क्या पता था मैंने? What is this? This one actually is the equator. So let's divide, or you can say draw a line parallel to this equator. कैसा लगेगा? ऐसा लगेगा देखने में? This one is the 0 degree. Understood? This one is the 0 degree. This one is the 30 degree. This one is the 60 degree. And the last one, अगर इसकी बात करो, वो भी क्यों? रीज़न है कि this one is perpendicular like this equator. If this one is the equator, if this one is the equator, this one is perpendicular to this. So if this one is 0 degree perpendicular अगर बनाऊं, तो this one is the 90 degree, isn't it? और एक बात नोट करने वाली है, it's going positive. Getting? So this one is the equator, the parallel lines with the equator forming the degrees like the 0 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. Again it's minus 30 degree, minus 60 degree, minus 90 degree forms the latitudes. फिर से बता रहा हूँ, that the imaginary line parallels to the equator, जो equator के parallel होगा, these lines, the imaginary lines parallel to the equator forming the degrees like 30 degree. एक बात बताइए, अगर ये इक्वेटर है तो ये 30 डिग्री विच वन, 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ होगा कि 30 डिग्री साउथ होगा? ये 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ होगा, 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ, अगेन 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ, अगेन 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ, अगेन 30 डिग्री साउथ, 60 degree south, and that one is the 90 degree south. So the imaginary lines which are parallel to the equator forming the important degrees like the 60 degrees north, 60 degree north, 30 degree north, 90 degree north are the latitudes. तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे that what are the longitude. Now I'll be covering my next topic, or you can say like my last topic. That one is the longitude. Okay, so as I told you what are the latitudes, you understood, I hope. The next topic are the longitudes. Okay, so as I told that with this, if I am drawing a imaginary lines are drawn with the equator as a base, these are the latitudes. Similarly, if I will be drawing lines with the median, this one is the median, prime meridian as I told. So prime meridian, with my prime meridian as the base, what are these? These are the longitudes, as you can see over like this. Understood everyone? So what are the latitudes? Latitudes are drawn taking base as the equator, and longitudes are drawn taking base as the meridians. That means 0 degree, 30 degree, and different degrees you will be getting. Understood everyone? So what is the difference between latitudes, longitudes? I hope everyone understood. I'll be explaining a short term, like what is a globe, that is spherical, I told you. What is the axis, imaginary lines, poles, the north pole and the south pole, and this I showed you over. What are the equator, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? These are the two hemispheres, the north one and the south one. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'll be having some good topics in my next lecture. So up to that, be safe, be healthy. Okay, thank you.